E-Scapes, Heroes of Quietude. Bright beginnings. It was a warm, sunny Georgia day in March. Birds chirping and happiness filled the air. Not a worry, only thankfulness, as new life was on the horizon. Mark and Sara were buzzing with excitement their twins would arrive any day now. Family members dropped by, helping Sara craft a magical nursery full of hope and dreams. The not-so-peaceful baby shower. The air was filled with smoke and noise. It was unbearable. The roar of gas-powered landscaping machines drowns out the laughter and causes mass hysteria. People randomly started clobbering one another. Sara, shouting, "Is it always this loud?" Aunt Lily, cupping ear, "What did you say, dear?" Getting no response. This shower felt more like a test of endurance. The smell, the smoke, the noise enough to wake any baby or rattle any grown-up. Mark, worried, "We'll have to schedule naps around the landscapers." That sucks. Like really sucks, you know? Do ya? The day arrives. Mark and Sara bring home little Toby and Tina. Sara lays them in their crib, tiptoes out. As Radiohead said, everything is in its right place. They never hear her leave. All is well. Mark, in the next room, logging into work. "I'm so grateful I can work from home and help." Sudden, thunderous roar outside. Mark's video call flickers. Mark, with forced cheer. "Hello, Mr. Buford Shagnasty. How are you?" Mr. Shagnasty, over static. "What? Can't hear you, son." In seconds, the call is lost. Mark sighs, then cries like a little baby. From the nursery, twin cries erupt. Sara appears, yelling, "Please help, you fool." They comfort the babies. Once the babies settle down, Mark searches for a spark of hope. Mark scrolls on his phone, eyes drooping. Suddenly, Mark, "Wait, what's this? All electric? Solar-powered landscaping? It's so quiet." Mike tells Sara about E-Scapes. Sara faints. He carries her and comes to saying, "When do they start?" Mark, "I have to call them first." He dials. Jen, on phone, friendly hero voice. E-Scapes. "When do you need service?" Mark says, "1 week from now, please." Jen answers, "You got it. We'll be there. Congratulations on the new babies. Don't worry, things will be okay. You will love this." The E-Scapes heroes arrive. The crew arrives at 9 a.m. Mark and Sara peek out the window, drooling with delight. It's as if their lives were changing in real time right then and there. Pure relief. Suddenly, a squad of superheroes descends from the sky wearing capes and a glowing E-mark, whispering, "They're real superheroes. But can they cut grass?" Quietly, voice filled with skepticism. Inside, the house is silent. No noise, no smell, no crying. What? Outside, gentle zipping sounds as the heroes mow, trim, and blow with electric tools. Mark opens the door, a soft buzz. He closes it, utter peace. Peace was restored. When the job was done, the heroes flew off with one driving the truck. No noise, no knocking at the door. They simply text us a bill. Just pure efficiency and quiet happiness. Mark, "Now I can work from home. Maybe we'll even homeschool the twins." Sara, smiling, "Thank you, E-Scapes. You're our real-life superheroes." Mike from E-Scapes, much more handsome than in real life, waves from the sky, sparkling in the sunlight, saying, "You can do it. You are superheroes as well. Believe in yourselves. Also, find a hobby." They can't help but think of the wonderful landscapers all week long until the day arrives again. They thought it may never come again. Mike appears, saying in a super cheesy tone, "Never fear, E-Scapes is here." Yep, he said it, and doesn't care about the cheese. He embraces it. He says, "Tell your friends. They will thank you." Thank you, E-Scapes. Now we will never get divorced and truly live happily ever after. Not just because of you. Well, just saying. Yay. Thank you. I think I love you. We love you. The end.